See? Just go Brig. Go
Brig, yeah.
Like, it does the same. It just does the same thing, except it helps the whole team. Mercy.
Under my protection. Enemy in sight.
The Genji's low. Okay, now this soldier. Nah, sure. You know what? Why not? What the fuck? What were you doing?
No, we still lose, even though they were down 2.
I got insta-fucked by that soldier.
Time to get clever.
Now it's just going to be harder because now they have Ana instead of Zen.
Draw strength from nature.
Nice. Alright.
Soldier first. Kiri, no Suzu. No jump, go for the Kiri.
Find peace.
A blade. What the? What? He's stupid?
They're playing Zen again?
Oh, the most diable fucking character. Thank you.
Well, I wouldn't say he's the most valuable anymore, because they can't.
The monkey is like 1 HP, please. Alright.
Payload.
The kick actually fucked me.
Oh yeah, no, kick. Kick is a fucking disgusting ability.
Careful, it's probably got primal.
Alright, well. I destroyed his ult. I fucked the soldier ulted, by the way, so he doesn't have visor. They only have nano and maybe Zen ult.
No, that's a bomb. Yeah.
Good job. Why are we still ulted? Oh wait, that's fine. No, I
It's engineer's ult.
Yeah, I realized it's the Ping the Zen?
He's in there.
He's in sport. Wow, they got Diva Reaper.
Be careful.
Fuck this Reaper.
La-di-da-di-da, don't mind me. Dude, I'm already swapped.
He wants me.
Heal please!
That
Guys.
is.
I just lost 70 charge though! Yeah!
I'll bleed in a sec.
Don't use it until I got double bubbles.
Sorry, I'm just waiting for you to... You tell me when you... Alright, I have blade now.
Yeah, we're good to go.
Alright, go! I got one at least.
Yep.
The Reaper is one.
He's don't.
Nah, I was deflecting that shit. That's bullshit. I was deflecting that.
She's like, she's not.
Res.
No, she's not anymore.
I think he's a bob.
Can't help you.
Oh, this
Get him.
bitch
Get the fucking
ass.
right. Get the right. Get the right.
Oh,
Get the
this
right.
bitch ass. Bro, how am I gonna get slapped and the Rhine comes out of spawn and insta gets me? Huh?
No bob. No bob.
There. Not bad, not bad. Look at their DPS, absolutely dumb shits.
Yo, boys, I just hit the jackpot, you know? I had a girl message me about anime, fam. This is like peak shit.
Wait a
Legit,
second. Oh.
On my dating apps, right? I was just sitting there, bang, message comes through. She's the first message. What's your favorite anime? I'm like, bye.
Jane, I'm right here, right here.
Oh, eating. The fuck?
What the fuck are you eating? Why do you
Sorry, I
need
will
to
die. I will
sustain
die.
yourself? No, okay, no, I'm sorry. Please don't.
No.
I'll wait too early.
Which one are you? Oh.
I'm the big fat fella.
This is a terrible decision to be playing Zarya with double flyers.
Don't worry. It's gonna work somehow.
And playing Brig Mercy. Not Brig Mercy, Ana Mercy, so. Brig Mercy would be good. Yo, right in here.
All of them?
Uh-huh.
It's only Rhine Mercy inside.
He's gonna end up
go.
badly. He's gonna end up badly. Yeah.
It did.
Yeah, you should not. That's bad decisions.
Some decisions were made.
Yo, seriously!
Some decisions were made.
Stop standing fucking behind me!
Okay, here's the thing, right? Ash survived like
Okay.
40 rockets. It's not even funny. The map pocketed her ass like she was. Alright. If I knew this was gonna happen, I would have not ulted. How the fuck did you get a triple kill with your bombs? Huh? Yeah, but he got a fucking triple kill with his bombs. I was like, you know, I'm gonna go behind him, I'm gonna ult. Well, no! Yeah, well, 3? With one stick? What the fuck?
I have.
Dude, do something!
First of all, we don't
What the
die.
Alright, we traded that. Okay, I just got headshot.
Or, I wasted my ult, but there's nothing to worry about. I'm at 60% now. Well, Engineer, that was fucking unlucky.
Jane, come here.
Fuck off!
Heroes never die.
They have a Reaper backline, I'm dead. What the fuck is this Sniper Reaper? What the fuck?
Zero M. I swear to God.
Um,
Please die, please.
There's a Reaper right here. Fucking hell. The Reaper is one hit, thank you.
Do you know what? I didn't even see him. I just flicked and saw like a snippet.
My guy was literally like 1 HP, not even.
Enemy in sight.
Yo. Just go over the roof. Go over the roof. We're gonna hit the Mercy, okay?
I hate her! They have a Bastion!
Should I stay on? You know.
Fucking pussy's going fast. No, don't miss me!
Run.
Oh my god! I killed myself. That's stupid.
What?
I think let me res. I'm swapping.
Oh
I don't know
well.
what's happening.
All these pussies went Bastion. Tu veux quoi?
Just know there's only 3.
I don't know how we saved it.
Alright, what the fuck is this Bastion no spread? It's 2 AP of a buff. Whoa, I can't. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Okay, well.
Stop fucking arguing and just focus.
Alright.
Yeah. Go.
I would love to, but I'm trying to keep everyone alive.
It didn't work out that good.
Yeah, sadly, when I'm having to fucking deal with every bit of spam that they're sending in one doorway. Because you're all walking on one fucking doorway as well. So I doubt you peek him, I will fucking end you. Also, can I say this?
God damn, I'm getting killed by a baby diva. Diva out of mech.
Bastion.
Okay, well, Engineer.
Is anyone gonna help kill him?
I guess? I went inside and I still somehow died. That's cool.
Alright. We need to focus our targets, because seriously, people are living.
I'm gonna focus the heck out of that diva.
Yep.
Heroes never die.
I'm focusing the Bastion. Bastion insanely low. Fuck, he got immortality. Oh, fuck, I tried.
Are you shitting me? 1%!
Recommencing.
Oh, from your ults.
Yep.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
We have no No, but we're losing this because we have no focus.
I will not lose. Score 3-3.
Okay. He was okay. Well, here's the problem, right? We had no way to hide. Plus, he was not in territory where we picked when we picked. That's a bit, that's the one thing. All right, defense. Well, we can do the same thing again.
Repositioning.
Another day, another battlefield. It's hard to heal you flighty types. Well, I'm up for a challenge.
Mission readiness protocol engaged.
Oh no, no way.
I'm good to go.
Play Monk into a fucking Bastion, you're just asking to lose.
Flyers, we are cleared for takeoff.
No,
Lock
no,
that
no, it
airspace
cannot work,
down.
no.
Idle SCVs to aisle 4
Like,
for repair.
playing into one, you can like make it work because you can like bait abilities and shit.
5,
But like playing into both is just too much shit.
2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Together, we cannot fail.
60 seconds remaining.
They're playing fucking Arisa Bastion.
Okay, well.
Alright, they lost their mode.
Bastion's coming to high ground.
Reaper here. Reaper off. Why did we push into a small room with an Arisa? Backlog, just everyone out. Okay, just shot through my defense matrix. This is what we get. Survived.
We're outnumbered.
God, I almost had fucking ults.
Just let it go, let it go. Regroup, everyone regroup. Nobody fucking die!
Oh, engineer, bye bye.
Objective lost.
Hey.
The more we die, the more fucking time we're getting them.
They still gotta pull out the payload so we good. Engineer can come back.
Cloning module charged.
Have mine.
Use fucking everything.
Alright.
What?
Get the eraser. Just eraser.
Nice defense. Alright, attack.
3 to 4.
We could do the same bullshit. It would probably work on attack as well.
Another day, another battlefield.
Looks like I'm going to be in the air, so call if you need me on the ground.
Hi there.
I prepped all night for this mission. Well, maybe I gained a little too.
Behind you! Ah!
Flyers, we are cleared for takeoff. Let's lock that airspace down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, these.
That was pretty good.
Alright, everyone, we're going up right stairs. Get ready. Come through when I tell you.
Bastion is dropped.
Oh, wait,
Bastion
wait.
dropped.
I'm taking time. Soldier dropped. No air. No
Full drop.
excuse no excuse.
Got the soldier. Pick, push. Fuck this bastard, man.
Yeah, I don't know why I've been running. Why am I rushing into it? Yeah,
Hey.
the Bastion's good now.
Bro, you went in first, don't you?
Yeah, I have a fucking thing that lets me hold a right click down and stops me taking damage.
Hey, I didn't boot him into you, okay? I booped him into the corner.
Hearing that. Back. No
Reset.
support. No fucking support. Ignore the Orisa.
What do you say with us?
We've just killed the rest of their team. Now we just kill them. Just cap. I'm pushing up.
We can quite literally just win this easily.
Oh,
Right now.
really? Oh, really?
Yeah, we have Deeble Bomb.
I think they're being sarcastic, bro.
Like new again.
Plus, I got a pick.
And I got a pick.
Activating self-destruct sequence.
Pushed him this far.
Immortality fields expire.
Sorry. I was not supposed to go to shields, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Text up.
Look, I was inside. I went inside and I still died. Oh, yeah, no, they gangbanged you. God damn. They did not want you to live.